Welcome to Scoot. Today we're going to review how to install and use the Scoot Engage for Google Workspace calendar integration. Let's dive in. Installing the Scoot Google Calendar add-on is easy. Just go to your Google Calendar and click on the Get Add-ons button in the right-hand side panel to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Scoot, select the add-on, and click Install. You'll be prompted to give Scoot access to view and edit events on your calendar. Click to accept and continue. And that's it. The add-on will be added to your side nav automatically. For larger teams interested in having access to Scoot, your Google admin can also install the add-on for org-wide use from the Google Admin Console. After installing, start using the add-on by opening a new or existing event on your calendar and clicking on the Scoot icon in the side panel. If your Scoot account was created using Sign In with Google, you may already be signed in. Otherwise, sign in to Scoot from the add-on and select your default room. The default room can be used to add a room link to a meeting with one click. After setup, you can use the add-on easily. Select an event and click on the Video Conference dropdown. You should see an option for Scoot here. Select it, and your default room will automatically be added to the meeting invite. Then just save. Congratulations! You can now use the Scoot Google Calendar add-on. For more information, connect with our team at support@scoot.app.